Hi there, I'm Taiwo Balogun. I welcome you to today's episode of the series I promise I'm going to start. And this series is about where money is hiding in a season like this and how to discover the money. And even after this season, what do I mean? We all know what is happening around the world about the COVID-19 pandemic. Yes, already I have been thinking about post-COVID-19 because it's about the coming wealth transfer. Are you surprised? Yes, it is about the coming wealth transfer, and one of the places where money is hiding is in you. Are you surprised? Yes. Some people might be surprised that what do I mean? Money is hiding in you if you can discover that talent, that gift, that thing that you are good at, that you can turn to money in a season like this. Benjamin Franklin says, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So while you are staying at home now, I want to encourage you to look for opportunity to learn new skills or improve your skills at the moment. So already there are free and paid webinars that you can join. In fact, I joined one that I paid heavily and I got value for my money. So at a point like this, you need to either improve your skill or learn new skill, because money is hiding in you. In as much as you can add value to humanity, that is what is called wealth transfer, because money is a means of exchange. If you have value to offer, then money will be transferred to you while you transfer value. That is why I said the first place that money is hiding in you. So please look inward right now and pick up your pen and your notebook and write down that skill that you are good at, or that you have passion for, or the new skill that you know you can turn to money. In fact, as time goes on in this series, I will be demonstrating how you can learn new skills like copywriting. I mean, copy that convert. Yes, you might be thinking that some people will not pay you. I have clients both in Nigeria and in abroad that are paying me to write copy for them. You can also tap into that. I want to challenge you. Go on YouTube now and begin to search everything that you can lay your hands upon on copywriting, and it will surprise you what you can turn out to be as a copywriter. So till I see you next time on my channel, Taiwo Balogun Consulting, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, this is an opportunity for you to click on the subscribe button below this video and activate the bell button so that you can be notified whenever I drop new video. See you next time. I'm Taiwo Balogun. Bye bye.